Munich Airport Live Tour. Experience the airport up close. Did you always want to know how the luggage finds its way into the cargo hold, how large jetliners are refueled, or how big the maintenance hangars must be? Munich Airport tours put you right at the heart of the action. Munich Airport is a masterpiece of fine-tuned logistics. This Airport Live Tour will thrill the heart of any dyed-in-the-wool aviation buff. Please note that the airport tours are conducted in German. The Airport Live Tour puts you right in the thick of things of the airport world. Come along, take an exciting look behind the scenes, marvel at huge aircraft and the hustle and bustle on the apron at close quarters. Takeoffs, landings, parked aircraft from all over the world, and the many small and large processes that take place all around during handling. The current situation has also changed what happens at the airport. Find out exciting background information, the changes, and what new things there are to keep in mind. With this experienced tour guides, you will experience a unique... If you have any questions or special requests, please contact by email. Excursion. Tour facts and prices. Dates, daily. Meeting point, at the airport shop in the visitors park. Duration, approximate 50 minutes. Please note that Munich Airport tours are conducted in German. Price per person, full payers €12, reduced payers €7. Children free entry. Reduced, children and young people age 5 to 18. Students and trainees, senior citizens age 65 and over, people with disabilities. Unfortunately, it is not possible to transport or take wheelchairs and prams on the airport tour buses.